na imbang ngarabi ikinyayo. Tonight on Learn Ilocano, let's learn some common phone call phrases. Let's start. Ni presi daytoy. Adadta ni manang mo. Okay, let's say that phrase. To introduce yourself, you're the caller. This is, and your name. Is your older sister there? This is Presi. Is your older sister there? Ni Presi daytoy. Adadta ni manang mo. Ni Presi daytoy. This is Presi. Is your older sister there? Adadta ni manang mo. Adadta ni manang mo. Adadta ni manang mo. Manang means an older sister. Let's say it's not your older sister. Let's say a friend. Then just say your friend's name. And if it's your uncle, or maybe your cousin, or your auntie, or grandpa, how to address them in Ilocano, you can find the link below or the link on top. Ayan na. Let's say it. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. In English, where is she or where is he? If the person is in the house, you can just call her or him and say telepono para kenyam. Telephone for you. Telepono para kenyam. Kenyam. Or you can just say telepono. Kayat ka nga makapatang ni Presi, or whoever the caller is. Kayat ka nga makapatang ni, in English, the person's name, and say, for example, Presi wants to talk to you. Kayat ka nga makapatang ni Presi. Kayat ka nga makapatang ni Presi. Telepono, kayat ka nga makapatang ni Presi. Or, telepono para kenyam, kayat ka nga makapatang ni Presi. And if you're the one who pick up the phone and you want to say, he's not here or she's not here, Awan ni, and then you say the name, ditoy. Awan ni manang ditoy. Awan ni manang ditoy. My older sister isn't here. Awan ni manang ditoy. Let's say it. Napanjay ili. Napanjay ili. Napanjay ili. Or he or she went to town. She went to town. Or he went to town. And let's say that your older sister or your manang went to her appointment. Or you wanna say, she have an appointment. So you say, she have an appointment. Adda appointment na. Adda appointment na. Or, if you want to say, she went to her appointment. Napanjay appointment na. Napanjay appointment na. Okay ngarud. Kumusta kan? Let's say that phrase. Okay ngarud. Kumusta kan? Okay then. How are you? Okay ngarud. Ngarud. Rod. Okay nga rod. Kumusta kan? Kumusta kan? How are you? And to respond, Nasayaat mo't Sika or Nasayaat mo't Agyamanak Sika. Nasayaat mo't Nasayaat mo't mo't. I'm good. Thank you. Agyamanak. Agyamanak. You. Sika. Sika. Nasayaat mo't Sika. I'm good. You? Or I'm good. Thank you. You? Nasayaat mo't Agyamanak Sika. Nasayaat mo't Agyamanak. Okay nga rod. Imbaga mo laengen nga tumawagak. Okay, that's our last phrase. Let's say it. I'm good. Thank you. Nasayaat mo't Agyamanak. Okay nga rod. Imbaga mo laengen nga tumawagak. Okay nga rod. Okay then. Imbaga mo laengen nga tumawagak. Just tell her I called. Or just let her know that I called. Imbaga mo laengen nga tumawag. Tumawag ak. Imbaga mo laengen nga tumawag ak. Hello? Ni Presi daytoy. Adadta ni manang mo? Awan ni manang ditoy. Ayan na. Adda appointment na. Napanjay appointment na. Okay nga rod. Kumusta kan? Nasayaat mo't Sika. Nasayaat mo't Agyamanak. Okay nga rod. Imbaga mo laengen nga tumawagak. One. That's all for tonight. Good night. Bye.